Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here with me today. We're diving into a project that's both satisfying and rewarding, prepping and painting a bumper. After some repairs, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just curious about the process, I hope you find this journey as enjoyable as I do. Let's start by talking about the bumper itself. It's amazing how much a bumper can affect the overall look of a vehicle. A well-prepped and painted bumper can make your car look brand new, while a neglected one can really bring down its appearance. So, let's give this bumper the attention it deserves. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's important to understand why prepping is such a crucial step. Proper preparation ensures that the paint adheres well and lasts longer. It's all about creating a smooth surface that's free from imperfections. Trust me, taking the time to prep will pay off in the end. Now, the first thing we need to do is assess the bumper. After any repairs, it's essential to check for any rough spots or imperfections. I like to run my hand over the surface to feel for any bumps or uneven areas. If you notice any, don't worry. We can easily fix those with some sanding. Sanding is where the magic begins. I usually start with a coarser grit sandpaper to tackle any major imperfections. It's important to keep the sandpaper moving in a circular motion to avoid creating flat spots. As you sand, you'll notice the surface becoming smoother, which is exactly what we want. Just remember to wear a mask to protect yourself from dust. Once we've smoothed out the rough areas, it's time to switch to a finer grit sandpaper. This step is crucial for achieving that glass-like finish. Take your time here. It's worth it. After sanding, I like to wipe down the bumper with a clean cloth to remove any dust. This ensures that we have a clean surface for painting. Now, let's talk about priming. Applying a good primer is essential for helping the paint adhere properly. I usually opt for an automotive primer that's designed for plastic surfaces, as most bumpers are made from plastic. When applying the primer, I like to use light, even coats. It's better to apply multiple thin layers than one thick one. This helps prevent runs and drips, which can ruin the finish. After the primer has dried, it's time for another round of sanding. Yes, you heard that right. A light sanding after priming helps to create an even, smoother surface for the paint. I typically use a very fine grit sandpaper for this step. Once again, wipe down the bumper to remove any dust before we move on to the exciting part, painting. Choosing the right paint is key. I recommend using high-quality automotive paint that matches your vehicle's color. If you're unsure about the color, many auto parts stores can mix paint to match your car perfectly. When you're ready to paint, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Safety first. As I start painting, I like to hold the spray can about 6 to 12 inches away from the surface. This distance helps to create an even coat without overwhelming the bumper with paint. Just like with the primer, I prefer to apply several light coats rather than one heavy coat. It's all about patience here. Allow each coat to dry before applying the next one. After a few coats, you'll start to see the transformation. The bumper will begin to look vibrant and fresh. It's such a rewarding feeling to see your hard work pay off. Once I'm satisfied with the coverage, I let the final coat dry completely. This is crucial, as rushing this step can lead to smudges or imperfections. Now, let's talk about the finishing touches. After the paint has dried, I like to apply a clear coat. This adds an extra layer of protection and gives the bumper a beautiful shine. Just like with the paint, I apply the clear coat in light, even layers. It's amazing how this final step can elevate the entire look of the bumper. Once everything is dry, it's time to reattach the bumper to the vehicle. This is where you can really appreciate the transformation. Seeing the freshly painted bumper back on the car is incredibly satisfying. It's like giving your vehicle a brand new accessory. As we wrap up this project, I want to take a moment to reflect on the journey. Prepping and painting a bumper may seem like a small task, but it's a wonderful reminder of the power of DIY. It's about taking pride in your work and seeing the fruits of your labor come to life. Plus, it's a fantastic way to save money while giving your car a facelift. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this video